Hey guys, welcome to McNuggets Bite-Size Insight. Was there ever a time that you planned out the course of your life, maganda siya, you prayed about it, you waited, and then hindi inallow ni Lord? Or naman, nagbukas ng door si Lord sa inyo, and so you're like, oh, this is God's will for me. So you stepped in, you did what you have to do, and then in the middle, may nangyaring hindi maganda, or hindi na natuloy, or may mga taong kumontra dun sa plano mo. And you're like, Lord, what is this about? Bakit ganon? Akala ko will mo to, pero bakit ganon? Ba't hindi natuloy? One of the ways that God guides us, His children, is through frustrated plans. But when God frustrates our plan, we usually think that it's His rejection or denial. But it is not. It is actually God redirecting us. Because God has a sovereign plan for us. But He also gave us free will. So we get to decide, right, what to do and our choices in life. And so, minsan nakikita ni Lord na, okay, maganda yung plano mo, pero may mas maganda akong plano para sa'yo. Or maybe we think na maganda yung plano natin, pero nakikita na ni Lord yung future na you know what, you're gonna get in trouble. Or may hindi magandang mangyayari dyan sa ginagawa mo. So, God will stop it. And then when He stops it, He doesn't stop there. Because what He does is He redirects us. He redirects us to His sovereign, great plan for us, which is in the scripture, diba, God's plan for us is for our good. It gives us hope and it gives us a future. And so if you're in a season in your life that God frustrated your plan or hindi niya grinant yung plano mo or yung will mo or hindi natuloy yung plano mo, don't worry. Because God is up to something great. He's up to something big. And, you know, yung mga plano niya sa atin is far beyond our imagination. And also remember Proverbs 16 verse 9, in our heart we plan the course of our life, but it is God who directs our step. So there you have it, McNuggets Bite-Size Insight. But before I let you go, please do like all of my socials and follow me for more. Be blessed and be a blessing, and I will see you here again. Bye!